Ujre to Saas Bahu is quite a journey. And I'm sure lots of you are wondering what I'm doing here. In about 10 to 15 minutes at best, I'm going to try and tell you where we come from on young India and what it looks like to us. That's the most cliched, most stereotypical image of young India you probably see, India in the BPO. And that's pretty much my problem, because when I started figuring out what to say, I realized that I'm talking about 54% of a country with 1 billion people, maybe more. Okay, and that's a couple of 100 million people. And every time I see a presentation or a brief which loosely clubs these couple of 100 million people as young India, it's fairly disappointing, because you're clubbing lots of people with different orientation to media, different socioeconomic classes, genders together. But we keep doing it, and the funny thing is everybody has the same answers for dealing with young India, and they're always MTV and Facebook. And that's very interesting, and that's actually what I want to start with. I want to show you a couple of numbers. These are very macro numbers. MTV, which is the cult youth brand in this country, probably in many parts of the world, did a little research and figured out that actually an 18-year-old, this is a 30-city research, which is fairly extensive. An 18-year-old actually spends 60% of his life, or her life, doing recreation stroke entertainment. That's very interesting. 60% is a lot. It's over 400 hours in a month. That's a lot, right? And one part of the research also said that while there's so many things the guy is doing, the truth is there's still substantial amount of time being spent on television, and you can see it from this graph. So I just did a little bit of number crunching, and we do this, it's something we've known for a while. This is basically the average day in the life of a teenager and a youngster. This is 10 to 24-year-olds. The numbers have been generated for December and January, and you'll realize that there's no loyalty. This is television. True to young people today, they're flirting for choice, and there's a huge premium on loyalty. So for a media planner, it's pretty much a nightmare to figure out where these couple of 100 people are congregating, because if they're spending all their time on television, they must be somewhere. No media planner can possibly be in all of those genres all day. It's impossible. A little more depth, and you begin to realize that actually most young people, or the TVRs you generate on young people, are not on MTV or Channel V or VH1. That's actually the smallest pie. Surprise, surprise. And this is when you're taking the whole country. We're talking a couple of 100 million people, right? This is India. They're not even on movies. And only 4 movie channels, 3 movie channels, because NDTV Imagine actually figures in that list, actually would figure in a top 15 channels for young people list. They're on Saas Bahu channels, like ours. Okay? And it's incredible, because if you look at the numbers that are being generated for young people on these channels versus what we believe, and all of us believe, and I'm a marketer as well, I believe too, would be MTV or VH1. This is quite a revelation, and if it surprises any of you, I should tell you that it's not just the number of people. They're also making conscious decisions because they're spending maximum time. The share of time is highest on general entertainment channels. These are the channels with soaps. The absolute antithesis of what all of us believe is cool, right? What I believe is cool.